Welcome to the RSEHS Academy. Learning from incidents. Let us understand few chemical disasters through their case study. This case study is on Seveso dioxin disaster, which happened in 1976. An explosion occurred on 10 July 1976 in a TCP reactor of the ICMESA chemical plant situated about 20 km north of Milan, Italy. A toxic cloud containing TCDD was accidentally released into the atmosphere. An exothermic runaway reaction occurred in a reactor used for the production of TCP from TCB by hydrolysis with NaOH. The plant was being shut down for the weekend, leaving the reactor half full of unreacted material at elevated temperature. The runaway reaction in the unstirred mixture was triggered by the slight unexpected heat input from the hot, dry wall of the reactor to the upper layer of the reaction mixture. The rupture disk on the reactor burst as a result of excessive pressure, and an aerosol cloud containing TCDD, a byproduct of the uncontrolled exothermic reaction, was released into the air. The reactor had no automatic cooling system, and only maintenance personnel were there at the time of the accident, so there was no one to start cooling manually and suppress the reaction. Fortunately, a worker noticed the cloud and stopped the release after only 20 minutes. Let us see the impact area of the incident. Consequences of this incident. The dioxin cloud contaminated a densely populated area, about 6 kilometers long and 1 kilometer wide, lying downwind from the site. 11 communities, including Seveso, in the rolling countryside, were directly involved in the toxic release and its aftermath. This event became internationally known as the Seveso disaster, after the name of neighboring municipality that was most severely affected. Hazardous effects of dioxin. It can impair nervous system. It can be absorbed by the earth and by the plants. It can cause cancer. It can create circulatory problems. It can suppress immune system, can create respiratory problem, can damage the liver, and can reduce the reproductive capacity. Lessons learned from this incident. The complexity of communication problems under conditions of severe uncertainty was recognized. Before the gas release, no one outside the plant, neither residents nor political or health authorities, had any idea that there was a hazard of such magnitude. No lessons learned from the incident happened before this Seveso incident involving TCP release from several industries. We shall learn from incidents, as in this case the incidents were not taken seriously, which affected the following firms and countries. Happened in 1949 at Monsanto, USA, 1953 BASF, Germany, 1960 Dow Chemical, USA, 1963 Philips, Netherlands, 1968 Coilite, UK. This incident triggered creation of European Community's Seveso Directive, a new system of industrial regulation. We shall find out the weak links in the system and correct them before they cause incident. Be alert and inspect the system periodically for gaps and correct them immediately. Thank you for watching. Hope that we will learn from past incidents and work safely.